Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to fold a t-shirt small to save space. This is great for packing luggage, so let's get right into this easy tutorial. As you can see, I have this t-shirt right here and I've laid it flat on the ground. It's actually facing down, so this is the back of the shirt that we're looking at. Now what we want to do is we want to go to the bottom of the shirt and we want to fold a lip. So roll a lip over on the entire bottom of the shirt. You want the lip to be, I don't know, about 5 inches wide. It doesn't really make too much of a difference, but about 5 inches seems to work really well. So you can see on the bottom here, we have this nice lip. Now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take the left side of the shirt, one side, it doesn't really matter which side, we're gonna fold it inwards. I like to sort of line it up along with the edge of the collar right here. That's my rule of thumb, okay? But as long as you fold it inwards, you should be okay. Then we're going to take the right side, which is the other side. We're going to fold it inwards as well. Now you want to make sure nothing is hanging over. So if you have something hanging over, just kind of fold it back. But for the most part, you should be okay. So we've now sort of folded both sides inwards like this. We have this nice thin design over here. Make sure your lip is still intact and it looks nice like that. Now we're going to take the entire shirt, we're going to fold it in half, as you can see right here. We folded it in half from side to side. We have this super thin design. Okay, now we're going to turn this around so that your lip is away from you. Okay, we're going to take this side, which is the top of the shirt. Okay, so where the collar is, we're going to roll it up really tightly, just like this, really tightly, because the tighter that you roll it, the smaller that it's going to be, and the fewer wrinkles that you're going to find on the shirt. You're going to roll it right over that lip, right over the lip, just like that. Okay, and you're going to hold it and you're going to look for the edge of the lip. So you're going to find out where the edge of the lip is. In my case, it's right over here. This is where the edge of the lip is. We're going to take it and we're going to sort of pull it backwards around. So we're going to sort of take the lip like this. We're going to go backwards around the entire thing. So you want to pull it back around like this, the entire thing. Okay, you're tucking it into itself. As you can see, we folded up a shirt nice and tightly and small in this very compact design, which is fantastic for packing a luggage or just, you know, if you want to store your shirts like this, it really takes up like no space at all, as you can see. That's it. I really hope you've enjoyed this very simple tutorial. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.